the last thing we did was find the product. We were multiplying, finding factors. So let's look a little bit at the difference between the two. When I multiply 2 times 3, I get 6. That is a product. These are factors. Okay? So a minute ago what we did was we multiplied, lo que hicimos antes, let me do this in Spanish. Okay. El producto, cuando multiplico 2 por 3, que es igual a 6, el 6 es el producto y 2 por 3 son los factores. Entonces, acá cuando multiplico estos, when I multiply this, x plus 2 and x plus 4, now the factors are over here. So over here, these are the factors. These are the factors. And we start with the factors and with the product. Empezamos con los factores y terminamos con el producto. Got it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now we're going to go the other way around. We're going to start with the product. Vamos a empezar con el producto y terminar con los factores. Okay? That's what it means to factor. So let's find out. We start with this. We need to find that. Okay. So we're starting with this. We need to find the two numbers that we have here. We need to know these numbers right there. Es lo que estamos buscando. Okay, so those two numbers are numbers that when you multiply this 1 times 8, but when we add them, we should get 6. So what numbers multiply to give you 8?
4 and 2.
1 and 8 and 4 and 2, right. Anything else? That's it, right? Okay. Those, which one? Esos son los que se multiplican para darme 8. 1 por 8 y 4 por 2. ¿Cuáles de estos factores me va a dar 6 cuando los sumo? Which factors will give me 6?
4, 2.
4, 2. So those are the ones we're going to use. Okay? So let's start over here. So, ahora, este 6x, aquí, en vez de escribir 6x, vamos a escribirlo usando 4x y 2x. So that would be 4x plus 2x plus 8. Okay? You've already got that so far? Okay, let's look back. So then, notice now we need this line here. So where did these come from? ¿De dónde vinieron estos números aquí? X. Si se fijan, if you notice, that when I multiply this, that gives me this. So now I'm going to go backwards. How am I going to get this out? I'm going to take out what they have in common. ¿Qué tienen en común? Vamos a sacar esto y ver qué es lo que tienen en común. Solamente x. You have 2 x's here, x squared, and you only have 1 here, an x. So we can take out an x, and you have x plus 4 left. Okay, y entonces, ¿qué tienen en común estos acá? Do they have x's?
X plus 4.
Does this have an x? No. So they don't have an x in common. Okay, so this is 1 times 2. Can I write this as, 1 times 8, but can I write it as 2 times something?
2 times 4.
2 times 4. So what do they have in common?
2.
2. So we take out the 2. 2 times what gives me 2x?
X plus 4.
2 times what gives me 8?
4.
4. And that's what's right there. Okay, let's go back and let's look. See, there it is. X, and then there's the x plus 4, and then the 2, and the x plus 4. How do I get back up here? I'm going to bring the x plus 4 over here, and what's left is going to be my x plus 2. So x plus 4. So they have these in common. And then what do I have left?
X and 2.
X plus 2. And there we go. Now we started with the product, now we have factors. That's called factoring, finding factors. Factorization.